Sunday, goddamn 2021. We goddamn, we just got the cars out. And we're gonna be racing all day today. All day today we racing. Unfortunately, Dunn, you know, he did race against Trey. The car won't go in a second. Something going on with it. So it fucked up. And then my boy goddamn Spider, he just ran the goddamn Charger. We're gonna see what's going on with that. I don't think he shifted right on that one. But right now we're talking about Vendetta versus goddamn Sloth right now. We're trying to see what's up with that, trying to get that shit locked in. Go from there.
Want me to show you? My shit don't even go over the rev limit. I'll pop the hood for you and everything. You got a rev limit? Hands up. No, all you gotta do is roll into his car and his car works, bro. I watch cars, bro. I'm not new to this, bro. I can't drive one. Go get that car. Go get that car. Go get that car.
Alright, so we got Vendetta, Deucey, goddamn going against SCP. Goddamn, they're gonna go against Cam. Deucey got a 5.7 Charger on gas, nitrous. They're going against SCP 6Gen Camaro that is pro charged. That's what they're gonna do. Right now they're gonna do 500 or better. Vendetta's getting that money together. They're gonna get their money together and get ready to lock this shit in and see what the fuck going on. So right now I got Vendetta money. Waiting on goddamn SCP, goddamn Cam to get here, collect that money. Goddamn get to Alright, so I got Vendetta and I got SCP. Got down lock-in money, 500 aside, $1,000 pot. We got RT. Hey, y'all, you heard me say it. What you say?
Take this shit over, man.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, man, we got the little 5.7 Hemi on gas. Goddamn versus goddamn the big LT motor, Pro Charge, 6Gen, white Camaro. It's gonna be a dog fight. Deucey get one car out in front. We'll see what the goddamn do.
That tire crack, he jumped.
Nah, he ain't jumping.
If his tire crack, he jumped. Man, he jumped, huh? No, he ain't go. It's on camera. Y'all run back?
Yeah, he ain't jumping.
Cut the fuck! Cut your light, nigga! Do something! Fuck on top of
Y'all wanna run it back?
Yeah,
What happened, bro?
And they want, hey, goddamn, he said somebody tapped the back of the car. He thought because he jumped, that's why he didn't go. Deucey cut the hell out the light. Deucey just won.
Who's the other camera? Hey, who got the camera?
Hey, Trey got it. Trey got the best.
Hey, Trey.
You looking at his tire? Can you see his tires moving all that?
No, I can't see the tire.
That nigga jumped right.
What just happened? We had Deucey versus Cam. Cam team fucked him up bad. Someone tapped on the back of the car. Deucey and them said they will run them back. Vendetta said they'll run SCP back. They just don't have any more prep. So they're trying to get some more prep. I think they're gonna ask them if they can use some more prep. And if they can use some more prep, they're gonna run them back and we'll go from there. Oh shit. Nah, it was, Deshae was on hard tire, so I'm not gonna gloat about it. But we fucked Deshae up. We're almost to the fucking front.